Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today is Wednesday, December 19th, 2018, 12:29 Eastern Standard Time is the time. I've been running this strategy now overnight. And boy, oh boy, I was pretty excited. So we've been running this for, let's just say, 14 and a half hours officially, because I did tear down, reset everything on yesterday's. Same strategy, same everything. And this is what I've been waking up to is a nice P&L. We've got 51 positions over the span of 14 hours. We're up 12.74% overall. I've not checked out the number of negative positions. So we got 1, 2, 3. I'm hoping that's a mistake. So we got 1, 2, 3 out of 51 positions. That's just barely over 90% win ratio. I'll just leave it at that. And that is strong, very, very strong. Here are some of the ones that the system's been watching. Within 4 hours of me turning off or resetting the system, within 4 hours, I was able to sit here and say, you know what? I have achieved my goal of 1%, and it just kept blowing through. So these are the coins that have really elevated this trading result. Waves Ethereum, Monero Ethereum, Dash Ethereum, Waves Ethereum, Ethereum Classic against Ether, or I guess Ether, Waves against Ethereum. I said Dash, anything new in there? So it looks like those were the strong ones for the period, and that is very strong. Right now, the system is running. Here's all of the positions. Actually, it just added, looks like maybe another one. So let me just get the latest info. So on the P&L, we have 52 positions. So it did add a new position. Let's see what that was. So that's already 12.74 result. And again, I've gone over the average P&L for each position and rate of return. As you can see here, these are the nice ones of 1.31, 1.16, 1.09. They don't happen as much, but they happen. And all the little ones also really, really add up. Right now, we got another position here on Waves Ethereum currently put on. The watch list, we have 3 items. Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin, Waves against Ethereum, Ethereum Classic against Ethereum. And again, those are usually the ones with a very strong momentum. I've said that numerous times. Let me just get the latest hourly moves here on the download part. So what we're looking at, it's pretty strong. Bitcoin Cash is up 13.12%. 24-hour period, 44.16. That is awesome. Bitcoin SV, 4.91. I will say I've not yet seen any positions for Bitcoin SV. Just do the think. I think just too many whipsaws. Dash 2.71. I'm not seeing any positions for EOS, which is up 2.51 on the hourly. Cardano 2.2. Tron 1.7. IOTA 1.83. Zcash 1.73. Neo 1.25. Ethereum at 1.95 and 1.11. XRP 1.11. Litecoin at 1.05. Monero at 1.05. Stellar at 1.02. Binance Coin at 0.92, and Bitcoin up 0.84. So if you are using Bitcoin as your measuring stick on the success of crypto, boy, you are dead wrong, and you should be looking at some of these other ones. Specifically, just lately, Bitcoin Cash has been on fire, and that is a pretty strong market as we speak. A lot of the ones that I've mentioned that are not on the usual positions, those ones, again, just have too many drawdowns or whipsaws that go against the system too fast, and I discovered that by accident, and it works like a charm. And I think that is what is the saving grace in this whole operation. As you can see here, I'm pretty excited with these results at 12.74 in 14 hours. So we've broken through yesterday, and hoping, dare I say, if we are up 20% for the day. No other person can sit there and say on a daily basis to get these kind of results. Anyway, so what am I doing about it? I'm going to be slowing down the results of these. I'm going to be putting them into the new, what do you call the new analytics. I'm going to be adding to that. So let's say right now, if you go to the Quant Labs net page, I would strongly recommend to get yourself a Facebook account, regardless if you use it or not. Even get the Facebook app. Reason being is all my new customers are doing that now. It's kind of funny. A lot of the Facebook folks are not on Facebook, but I do leverage a lot of Facebook for the good things of Facebook. Even if you just use a fake Facebook, the reason I do that is because that's where the market is, and I tried third-party software that nobody uses, but people seem to use Facebook, so therefore I use Facebook. Anyways, what I was going to get at is if you come onto the Quant Labs Net page here, you come under videos. What I want everybody to figure out is there is a like button or a follow button. I'd probably do the follow button because I've been doing a lot of videos, just live streams, and I've done three. I did 3 yesterday. So this one's called From the Money Machine, called Algo Trading with Cryptocurrency. This one was watching live. It's called Watch Waves Crypto Live Now. And then this one was just reporting 60 positions and 16 hours, big winning with crypto up 10.1% in 16 hours. If 60 positions, but clearly you can see here we're at 51 positions, up 12.74. That's pretty strong if you want my opinion. And it looks like to be over a 90% win ratio. So I'm pretty excited about that. So once again, this is one of the reasons why you want to be on Facebook. I guess get better responses using Facebook. I'm probably moving myself off of YouTube and not putting as many critical videos on there. It's just I'm preferring Facebook, and actually I'm getting more response on Facebook, oddly enough. Also, if you come under the events, what you'll find here is I'll be doing an event this Sunday afternoon in lieu of Christmas and Christmas Eve. So if you're available, I'm not sure on the time yet, but it'll be sometime Sunday afternoon, my time, Eastern Standard Time, and I'll post that in this section. So those are 2 big reasons why you want to be on the Facebooks. Now, also another thing that seems to be doing quite well, if you don't mind me saying, is the group, the Facebook group. It's called Quant HFT, High Frequency Trading with MATLAB, C++, Java, R, Python, C#, Excel. All you got to really do is just type in Quant HFT, High Frequency Trading. You should be able to find it, no problem. In here, if you come under discussion, I post a lot of juicy information that I'm learning from, be it from Google searches, be it from Quora. There's some really good stuff in here. One example, just I learned yesterday was, let me just find it here. Right here, this site called fundseeder.com. This is a website now where you can go and show your portfolio and get funded by real portfolio of professional investors, institutional investors. This seems to be very legit, that nobody knows about, and we like to keep it that way. But there's some very interesting stories, and other people post stuff, mostly myself, because I post a lot of stuff. I used to do this on the blog. It's just easier to put it on here. Now, those are three reasons to be on the Facebook thing. And of course, we have YouTube. So in YouTube, what we have here is my channel. That's still going strong, but as I said, I way prefer right here. Yeah, so right here, I have all the different videos that I'm posting. Also here, this one is for my podcast. It syncs up with my podcast, so you want to learn that. And you can see here, I've already posted just in the last 24 hours 2 other videos, as well as about 3 videos on the Facebook as well. Like I said, I'm going to be slowing this down. A lot of it will be pushed into my quant analytics service, and that's that. For those that don't know, if you come under my quant, also I always forget about the podcast. If you are interested in my podcast, I do put this out as well. I'm just kind of playing around with this at podbean.com. It's also supposed to be on the iTunes store, but the name of the podcast is Quant Trading Live Report. Actually, this video does get posted on, the audio version gets posted on this podcast, and we're up to 383 episodes. Everything, it's just I'm a content fiend, if you haven't figured that out by now. And that's pretty well it. So again, let me just see if we have any new positions. So we're at 51 right now, and 52. We have another winner, 0.27%. And which one was that? XMR Ethereum. Okay, so yeah, it's doing pretty good. I can't, and now we're at 12.9%. Pretty good. I'm not sure what kind of content people are wanting on what will be the new analytics with the really successful stuff. I'm going to do also a comparison between Forex minute data, probably with either the more popular crypto Forex pairs as well as the popular CFDs, to see if it's worth revisiting Forex and CFDs on a WANDA to see if we get the same kind of moves on a minute by minute basis. All right, so that's pretty well it. We shall talk to you later. Have a good day.